Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about beauty products that you can purchase on Amazon. You don't need to go to Sephora, or you do not need to go to Ulta. I was just thinking of any beauty store that you can go to find beauty products. You don't need to go to these beauty stores to get these beauty products. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the first product that I always purchase on Amazon is press-on nails. Yes, get a quick manicure at home in the comfort of your home from Amazon. I mean, I just love press-on nails because they really get me going. If I don't have time to go for a manicure, or I don't even have the money to get a manicure, just because I feel like it's just gonna be wasting money, I just go on Amazon, buy my $5 press-on nails, and they get a job done. Look at these. It took me like 3 minutes to put these on, and from far it looks like a professional manicure, but it's not. So that's the first item that I always get on Amazon. I've done this since the pandemic started, and a lot of people started doing this as well, just because beauty supply stores closed and nail shops closed, so people couldn't go get their nails done. So yeah, press-on nails are a must. You can get this on Amazon. The second item that I get on Amazon is lashes. So I get my lashes on Amazon. I started buying my lashes on Amazon when I didn't have time to go to Sephora and I needed lashes like today. So I went on Amazon and I searched for mink lashes, the 3D mink lashes, and I got a whole bunch of search results, but then I gambled and just decided to purchase the first few. I looked at the first few results, and one of the lashes that were on there caught my eye, and I purchased them. These are from, I guess the shop is called Hikuchu. Anyways, they look like this, and in the middle, actually the middle lashes are the ones that I'm wearing. I really love these lashes because they give you that 3D effect. They actually look like lily lashes, but they're not, which is amazing. These were for, I think, $14. I might be wrong, but they were not more than $15 for sure. But they do give you that glamorous look, that they complement a full glam makeup look. I just love how they're very fluffy, especially with this makeup look. These lashes just, they just take it to a next level. And I love all the other styles of lashes in the pack. Again, this was under $15, which I think is a steal. Oh my gosh, only on Amazon, right? That's it. Those are the beauty products that I always get on Amazon, because I know for sure that I've purchased them in the past and I can just always keep purchasing. When it comes to lashes, honestly, just follow your gut. If you search for example, 3D mink lashes, and a search result comes up and the pictures are very convincing to you, then yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out. I mean, you can always return them. I once upon a time actually searched for lashes because the ones that I just showed you were out of stock, and I gambled and purchased these lashes, and they were so long I just couldn't wear them. They just looked so bad. They were so long, and I couldn't, I mean, long in terms of the lash itself, not the length of the lash, but just actually the length of the lash was long, not the strip. And yeah, I just couldn't wear them. So anyways, that is it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.